Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about 3 Pokemon cards that I recently purchased, and I think they're quite interesting, and I don't think a lot of people know about them, so that's why I want to share it with you guys. If you already know about these cards, let me know in the comment section. Maybe you have more information. And the 3 cards that I'm showing you today are these 3. Okay, so these are PSA 10 slabs. And it's soccer related, Pikachu soccer related promo, and these are Japanese only, so they only release these in Japan. So this artwork is only available in Japanese language, and it's soccer related. So these cards have actually gone up a lot in value recently, in the past year. And the reason for that, I think it's because this year 2026 is the World Cup, and also this year 2026 is the 30th anniversary for Pokemon. These factors alone caused the price rise for these 3 cards. And also, I'm pretty sure you're aware, if you're into Pokemon trading cards, Logan Paul's Pikachu Illustrator is up for auction at Golden. Very controversial, but still, anyway, it's making headlines every single day. I think there's 20 something days left, and it's already at $6 million. It's already broken the previous record that Logan Paul bought it for, and it's making news every single day because it's going higher and higher. So I think that's causing a lot of buzz around the Pokemon. That's why Pokemon trading cards is going up. The prices are crazy, but this is not financial advice. So if you're buying this just for speculation, expecting it to go up in price, nobody knows if it's going to go up further, or would it go down after the World Cup. After this year, would these cards go down? Nobody knows. So don't take my advice. Okay, do your own study or whatever if you're only in for investment. Okay, I'm not telling you to go buy these cards or it's a good investment. I'm just telling you the story about it, and I think it's really interesting. I bought myself a copy. Okay, but these crazy prices right now. Crazy prices. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more. Before we go any further, let me introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, instantgaming.com. If you're not familiar with them, make sure you check out their website using my link below. They offer games at big discounts. Some games are even up to 90% off, and that's because they buy the game keys directly from the game developers, and that cuts out any middleman, translates to big savings for you. They've got games for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo. So before you make any purchases on those game stores, like Epic, Steam, all right, check the website out, Instant Gaming. Compare the prices. You might save yourself a lot of money. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and let me get back to the video. Let me go to my computer. You can see on eBay right now, in the PSA Vault, this one, the crossover with Adidas, this one is actually going for around $6,000 US. That it's gone up quite a lot already. All right, this is from the PSA Vault, and you can take a look. The population, the Pop 10 report, there's only 705 out there currently. Okay, and the reason why is because this card was given in 2014 together with a magazine in Japan. So this card was released in Japan as one of the XY promotional cards with the Pokemon Newmon Summer 2014 book released in June 2014. Okay, and the book looks like this. Okay, this is the magazine, and they stuck, it has a plastic bag. It was in a plastic bag, and the bag is glued to this magazine. So the bond between the card unopened and the book is strong and does not peel off. So I think the reason why the population is so low, the population for PSA 10, is because it was distributed with these magazines, and you know how they handle these magazines during the they deliver to probably the stores. The newspaper stands, they're just throwing these magazines. They're stacked. They're tied together with probably some rope, and I think that's why these cards are normally damaged when you got it. And also it's glued to the pack is glued to the magazine, so back then I'm not sure people opened it and put it in a sleeve and top loaded and all that, and once they pull it with the glue, they probably already damaged the card a little bit already. So that's why it's very hard to get this in a PSA 10 gem mint. So that's why it's very low population, prices going up, all these factors. All right, and for these 2, the Pikachu, The Pitch Pikachu was released also in 2014, and they were given to elementary school age children who attended any J-League soccer session at one of the 40 clubs around Japan between April and May 6th. So it's only a few days. So probably how many? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So around 2 weeks, so 11 days. They were giving away these cards to elementary school aged children. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure these children did not have sleeves and top loader with them at the time. So they got the card, they probably ripped it, out of the bag, and so a lot of these are also, I think, are pretty roughed up. So it's really hard. These are very low population as well. So the Pitch Pikachu, this one, the first print has only a population of 531. And the second print is even lower. It's like 400 something last time I saw. But I don't think there's eBay. There's not even an eBay listing for the second print. There's one with the sequential. No, these aren't sequential. There's one like these two together. But these are old certs. So these are the newer certs. Normally they're like starting with the 2. They're pretty old slabs. So yeah, but yeah, price has definitely gone up. And if you're not familiar and you're interested in soccer, football, something like that, obviously, you might be interested in these cards. Very, very cool looking cards. And, Pokemon Pikachu promo cards are always a fan favorite. So obviously, I have high hopes. These will continue to rise in value because it's got low population. On all that. So don't take my advice for investing advice, but if you're just a collector and you like nice looking cards, definitely check out these cards. So yeah, that's enough for me blabbing today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.